Hey guys, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your orders prices off of TikTok shop. And I'm going to need you to click on the products here. Click that. Go ahead on and manage products. And this is really quick, by the way. I want you to go ahead and just scroll down. Now you can see some infos here about your product here. Yeah, as you can see, this is my product that I have inputted on the shop itself. Now we're going to click here, the one that says edit, and then press this one right here. It says the price here, and you could absolutely edit the price here on your demand. So let's lessen this price to, let's say, 300, and all you have to do is just click save, and that's it. So I hope this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day. So the price has changed now, as you can see.